Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Hello, this is Saffron and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today I'm going to unbox the August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I got it in the mail today. Pretty excited to get it. This month has been bad with all the COVID stuff. Had a friend that I know from karaoke and doing karaoke that died from COVID, and not too long ago I had an uncle die from COVID. This COVID spot's a mess, but little things like this make the sad things a little happier, I guess. Sad times a little happier. So here we go. Here's the bag today. Pretty excited. And here's the bag for the month of August. It's pretty, ain't it? Very rainforesty looking. See what we got. Ooh, looks like we got a lot. Let's see here. Camera's messing up a little bit. First one we got is Elemis Skin Buff Deep Cleansing Exfoliator. And it's for all skin types. Bilberry, hops, chamomile, exfoliates, refines, and purifies. That's what it looks like. Advanced skincare defined by nature, led by science. Re-energize dull, lifeless skin with this deep cleansing exfoliator. Helps to kickstart cell turnover by sloughing away dead skin cells, resulting in brighter and smoother skin. Extracts of bilberry, hops, and chamomile blended into vitamin A and shea butter base to help soothe and enrich the skin, leaving a radiant and fresh complexion. Directions: use weekly. Dampen the skin and gently massage in light circular motions. Wow, comes a little pamphlet. Wow. Oh, I guess it's like it's all in different languages. It's kind of interesting. Kind of basically saying the same thing as the back of this box. Let's see. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice looking. Let's see what the damage is that I didn't have to pay. That's a good thing about these $25 a month beauty boxes, or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. You pay $25 for expensive products every month. Let's see, $19. That's not too bad. I don't think that's not too bad. That's actually cheaper than the bag. Okay, the next one. Celly. Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo with Sharpener. I don't know, my choices weren't really good. I don't know, it's weird. When I was going through my thing of what I could choose. By the way, that Skin Buff was chosen for me, but this one was the one that I chose. Like, there's one I could choose one eyeliner, or I could choose two eyeliners. It was weird. But I chose the two eyeliners that didn't look like black eyeliner. Or, I don't know, I thought these colors were kind of pretty. I think they're kind of bronzy colored, from what the picture showed me. Oh, hang on. Dropped it. That's what the inside of the package looks like. I'll open it. Come on. There we go. There's the sharpener. That's pretty nice. You can use it for anything. And this one's olive. That's what it kind of looks like. Let's see. It's kind of pretty. Let's do a little swatchy-roo. Let's see. It goes on really good. Glides on really good. It's kind of like almost a greenish color. Kind of a greeny bronzy color. And here's what's this color? Bronze. Look how I like how that glides. It don't drag. I don't like it when it drags. That's pretty too. They're both pretty colors, and they kind of bronzy one kind of has a glittery tint to it. Well, both of them kind of do, kind of a shimmer. They're pretty. I think I'll use those. I'm not big in eyeliner, but if it's something other than black, I'll use it. Those glide on pretty easy too. Let's see what they would have cost if I went out and bought them. Let's see. $37. Cost more than the scrub. That's weird. I wouldn't pay that much, but they glide on easy. They don't, you know, drag. I don't like when it drags. Let's see what this one is. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. The little bitty thing. And it comes with a safety seal. I'm not going to open it, but I think this is something I added on. And it's nice. I can't remember. Is this Addon? It's a Pearlies Pineapple Gel Cream. Bright Gel Cream. Sounds like it smells good. This one I chose, or was it an Addon? Let's see. No, I picked this one. Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. Pineapple Bright Gel Cream is a lightweight, oil-free gel cream that instantly brightens, moisturizes, and even skin tone while providing hydration. Pineapple is a powerful antioxidant with moisturizing properties. Citrus blend and vitamin C brighten skin, while camu improves skin texture. Cleanse the skin with a Pearlies cleanser. Apply liberally on face and neck as base for makeup. And no rabbits were killed. Well, that's good. That's what the bottle looks like. I smell it. I bet it smells good. I love pineapple. And got a safety seal, of course. It smells pretty good. It's not a strong pineapple smell, but it's nice. Sometimes these kind of things will smell too strong, but this smells all right. See what the next one is. M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip. I can't remember getting a liquid lip. Maybe I spent my points on this. I can't remember. It's not on my list. I don't know. A couple months ago, I got an oddball item that I didn't use any points for. It was an eye cream. It was weird. But I didn't use my points or anything. It was not on my... I didn't choose it or anything. So, let's see how this is. Let's see. That's pretty. I really don't need any more lipsticks. Let's try it. kind of like these kind of colors, you know. They look nice, but it's not so, you know, over the top, you know. It's pretty. It smells pretty good too. It smells familiar, but I can't place where it smell is. Yeah, I like this color. See what the next item is. Another Celly product. Little sponges. You always use sponges, and they feel really soft too. Well, it keeps me from having to go to the store and buy them, so. See how much they would have cost. $36. That's ridiculous in it for dang sponges, but they feel soft. I didn't have to pay that much either, so. Feel nice. Next item is passion fruit hand cream. You know, I always use a hand cream, you know, my hands get dry. Always need something on them. Try this. It smells pretty good. I'm not going to try it, but pretty nice. I think this was something, a sample that I chose, and it never shows the price, so. Okay. Next item is Skin and Lab Skin Science Solution E Plus Moisturized and Formulated Selected Vitamins for Smoother, Healthier Skin. Excuse me. That's what it is. I think it's a moisturizer. Look. Smooth cream until skin until it's fully absorbed. A premium daily moisturizer infused with vitamin E that thoroughly hydrates, plumps, and brightens the skin. That's what the bottle looks like. Run-of-the-mill moisturizer. Let's see. And they chose this for me. $19. That's pretty good price. One more item, and I think I used my points for this. It's a Posh Powder Palette Doche or something. Excuse me. Throat feels dry. Ugh. Wow. I think it's from wearing a mask all day. It dries out your throat. This is what the package looks like. It's very nice. There's a color names. It's got Flicker, Glisten, Spark Ray, 61 RSVP, 65 Time Bomb, and 64 So Good. And there's a little palette. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's all fancy. Very glittery too. See, they kind of glisten a little bit. These are like your highlighting, and these are like your contour. It's very nice. See, it's not too pigmented either. Yeah, that's very nice. One of them fell out. Well, that's okay. That was. Here's this shade right here. See, they're very nice shades. It's not too much. You know, you can build it up. Can't really see that, but. Trying to show you a highlight. See, there's that The golden one, that's really nice. And it's not in your face either. Oh, it's really nice looking. Oh. Oh, I forgot to show you the little pamphlet thing. Wanderlust. Recharge, reset, and get off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with Manus. Try techniques that soothe the skin. Your mind and your greatest adventure starts with you. And you can scan this little thing to see some stuff. Excuse me. It's some little stuff you can read. I never really read them. Well, that's all for this month. I thought it was a pretty good month. It's one of those months that's like, man, you know. I mean, I like what I got, but it's kind of, you know, they have their like really good months, and I mean, I like everything I got, but it's like, you know. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please subscribe and like this video. Please like and follow my Facebook page. Please follow me on social media. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.